Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing some Sunscoop sunscreens. Sunscoop is my number one brand and when it comes to sunscreens. I really love their sunscreens. They have so many different types of sunscreens for every skin type, for every weather and for every preference. And sunscreen लगाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially like during the summer season. I don't even need to emphasize why sunscreens are so important because sunscreen नहीं लगाने से आपकी skin सिर्फ tan नहीं होगी, but the UV rays can also cause your skin to age faster, and the UV rays are like so damaging for your skin in the long run. They can also lead to cancer, so it's really important to protect your skin, to filter your skin with those UV rays, and you need to apply a sunscreen for that matter. So I have 4 of my favorite sunscreens by Sunscoop and I'm going to be reviewing them one by one. Firstly, I have the Sunscoop Glow Even Tone Sunscreen. Now this is one of those tinted sunscreens where when you apply the sunscreen you don't need any coverage, you don't need any foundation, concealer, no base makeup absolutely, because along with sun protection this also gives you a certain amount of coverage. It helps in covering up and concealing your blemishes, your dark circles, your acne marks, any other discoloration that you have, and gives you an even toned complexion along with sun protection. Also, unlike most of the other tinted sunscreens which give you a very white complexion, this one literally gives you that even toned complexion without making your skin look white. So this has an SPF of 50 plus PA4 plus, which is a great amount of UVA protection, and this also gives UVB protection. So you can apply this like a skincare product, like a makeup product. It's a 2-in-1 product, and with the help of this you can skip on your base makeup, you can skip on your sunscreen, just apply this and it's going to do both of the jobs for you. The second sunscreen that I have is this Sunscoop Hydrating Fluid Sunscreen Spray. Now this is a sunscreen in the form of a spray and it's so easy to use. Let me just show you. So you just need to like spray it on your skin like that and then blend it, and in just one single swipe it gets absorbed by your skin. That is how lightweight it is, that is how fluidy it is, and with the help of a spray like mechanism like this, itna easy ho jata hai sunscreen application because you don't have to like take out the sunscreen, apply it and then blend it. बहुत ज़्यादा hassle होता है ये पूरा process, लेकिन ऐसा एक spray sunscreen अगर आपके पास हो then you can conveniently very quickly apply it all over your face, all over your body in absolutely no time. सिर्फ आप इसको face पे नहीं बॉडी पे भी लगा सकते हो, बिल्कुल भी आपको टाइम नहीं लगेगा, इतना सुपर फास्ट है इसको यूज़ करना. एंड द सनस्क्रीन हैज़ एन SPF of 60 PA4 plus, which is a great amount of UVA protection. This also gives you UVB protection and blue light protection. Blue light is the light that's emitted out of electronics. तो ये जो blue light होती है ये आपके आइज़ के लिए नहीं बट आपकी स्किन के लिए भी बहुत डैमेजिंग होती है, एंड इससे आपको ब्लू लाइट प्रोटेक्शन भी मिलता है. सो बेसिकली यू आर गेटिंग इंडोर एज वेल एज आउटडोर प्रोटेक्शन विद दिस सनस्क्रीन. Moreover, it's got ingredients like chamomile and aloe vera, which are very soothing on the skin, and whenever you like spray this on your skin, it gives you that instant cooling effect, which I absolutely love. This is absolutely transfer proof, so even if you apply this all over your body, it will not transfer on your clothes. ये आपके कपड़ों को बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं करेगा by transferring, so that is one of the other best things about this sunscreen. Also, ये non-comedogenic है, which means that even if you apply it on your face, it will not cause any acne or pimples. It will not clog your pores at all. So this is the most convenient way and one of the most fun ways of using a sunscreen. The third sunscreen that I have is this Sunscoop Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen. So this is great for the summer season, and why I really love this is because it's great for oily to combination skin. Now I have extremely oily skin, and by the end of the day my skin produces so much oil that it looks very greasy, but this one gives you a very dry like matte finish on your skin, so it doesn't let your skin become oily, it doesn't let your pores produce so much oil, it doesn't let your pores produce so much of sebum, because of which your skin looks matte. So even if you apply this like under makeup, it's going to sit very beautifully and it's going to prevent your skin from looking greasy throughout the day. So this is the reason why I love this sunscreen for the summer season. And if you live in a city like Mumbai or Delhi where it's so hot or it's so humid, then you're going to absolutely love this sunscreen. This has an SPF of 50 plus PA triple plus, which is a really good amount of UVA protection, and it also gives UVB protection. It's also got the goodness of rice extract, and I love how smooth my skin looks after using this sunscreen. The fourth sunscreen that I have is this Sunscoop Hydrating Cream Sunscreen. Now this sunscreen is so hydrating. It's in a cream-like consistency, which I absolutely love. And if it's the winter time or if you have dry skin, then you're gonna love this sunscreen. It's got the goodness of hyaluronic acid and pineapple apple, which both help in hydrating your skin and making it look radiant. So I absolutely love how my skin looks after applying the sunscreen. My skin just looks so much more dewy and so much more glowy, and I love how nourishing this sunscreen is. Along with that, this has an SPF of 50 plus, PA4 plus. It gives UVA and UVB protection, and for combination to dry skin, it's an absolutely amazing sunscreen. Those were all of my favorite sunscreens by Sunscoop. I love each and every one of them, and I highly recommend them. My favorite one, my absolute favorite one, has to be the Sunscoop Hydrating Fluid Sunscreen Spray. I love this so much. I think it's so much fun to play with, and you can easily, very conveniently, very quickly apply it all over your face and body in absolutely no time. And it's also so lightweight. It feels like nothing on the skin. It literally does not feel like you have anything on your skin, and it gives your face and your entire body sun protection in absolutely no time. So that's the reason why I love this so much, and I highly recommend this and all the other sunscreens by Sunscoop that I showed you today. So depending upon your skin type, the weather in your city, and your personal preference, you can pick any of these sunscreens. I've left all the purchase links in the description box below. You can check that out, and do let me know in the comments below which sunscreen out of these was your absolute favorite and which one would you like to try. So yeah, that was my review on Sunscoop sunscreens. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.